In this video, I'll show you how to zoom out in Microsoft Edge so you can see more of a web page at once if it feels too large or cramped. Start by opening Microsoft Edge and making sure the page you want to adjust is active. By default, Edge displays pages at 100% zoom. When you zoom out, that percentage decreases and more content fits on your screen. The quickest way to zoom out is using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and the minus key together. On Mac, press Command and the minus key. Each press reduces the zoom level in steps, such as from 125% to 100% to 75%. Keep pressing until the page feels comfortable to view. If you prefer using a mouse, hold down the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel downward. The page will shrink smoothly as you scroll. On a laptop touchpad, place 2 fingers on the pad and pinch them together to zoom out, similar to shrinking an image on a phone. You can also use the on-screen controls. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Edge to open the menu. Find the zoom section where you'll see the current percentage. Click the minus button to reduce the zoom level step by step. That's it. Use the keyboard, mouse wheel, touchpad, or the menu to zoom out quickly in Microsoft Edge whenever a page looks too large.